to the channel AKY Biotech. So today here again with we are with a new video for you. Near about 50 questions we'll discuss today, and in the previous videos we have discussed many of the questions. Near about we have covered 225 questions from the examination point of view. They are very important questions. They cover entire of the topics, so kindly go through them, and it will be of great help for you in solving the questions in the examination. And I hope that you are getting the benefit from all these videos. And so let's start with the video. Question number 226. During termination of protein synthesis, the release factor RF1 recognizes, it recognizes both UAA and UAG. Number 227. During transcription, holoenzyme RNA polymerase, it binds to a DNA sequence and the DNA assumes a saddle-like structure at that point. What is the sequence called? So, RNA polymerase, it binds to a DNA sequence and DNA, it assumes a saddle-like structure. This sequence to which it binds, this is known as the TATA box, Tata box. Next, number 228. Development of which of the following populations requires the greatest effort? So, the correct option is this one, that is nils. It is near isogenic lines, because in this repeated backcrossing is done to the recurrent parent. So it takes a lot of time to develop the nils. 229. Once an RAPD marker linked to a trait of interest is found, it can be converted into a more reproducible PCR type assay by use of, the correct option is allele specific ligation, correct one, allele specific PCR, again a correct option, and sequence characterized amplified region, SCAR. So all of these, this is the correct option. Number 230. Enhancers of eukaryotic gene may have a special form of DNA called, so it has a special form of DNA called, that is the zDNA. 231. Epinephrine plays its role in glycogenolysis by, activating phosphorylase kinase. Number 232. Gene which have major effect on the expression of the concerned traits is called, so this gene is called as oligogenes. During cell division, the transition of the cell into S phase is controlled by, this is controlled by A, this part is the correct, that is CDK2. 234. During chromatid separation, microtubules attached to the kinetochore. This one is the correct option. Then next question, 235. During DNA duplication in eukaryotes, so you have to read this carefully, that is in case of eukaryotes, RNA primers are removed by, they are removed by RNase H. This enzyme, it helps in the removal of the RNA primers. 236. During DNA synthesis, frame reading is formed. This is, the correct option is, it is from 3' to 5' end. 237. During glycosylation of protein, the oligosaccharide groups are modified by, They're modified by glycosyl transferases. This is the correct option. During meiosis, centromere divides at the anaphase 2. This is the correct option. Number 239. During meiosis, cohesin protein is broken down at, this is broken down at anaphase 2. This is the correct option. Number 240, during photoreactivation reaction, DNA photolyase utilizes this light, that is the far red light. Number 241, which of the following agrobacterium proteins has helicase activity? See, I repeat that all these questions are important, and these questions related to agrobacterium also, they have been put down in the examination many of the times. So all these activities, that is what is controlled by helicase activity and the other, you have to memorize it. So helicase activity, this is by Vir C. The satellite RNA present in some RNA viruses may produce which of the following effects on disease severity? So, it is the satellite RNA. In case of RNA viruses, it produces effect on disease severity, that is, it enhances disease severity, correct option. It decreases disease severity, again a correct option. And no effect on disease severity, this is also correct. So, all of the above, this is the correct option. 243. Which of the following proteins is specific to Diptera? So, which of the following is specific to Diptera? That is C, that is Cry4. Number 244. Improved Pusa Basmati 1, that is Pusa 1460. The variety developed in India through MAS, that is marker assisted selection, has been improved for which of the following traits? This question has been repeatedly asked in the examination. The correct is bacterial leaf blight resistance. So this is the rice variety, that is the Pusa 1460. Number 245. Which of the following marker systems? I would repeat that many of the questions have also been put up in the examination related to the marker system. So you have to be very clear with all the questions. Which of the following marker systems would be preferred for testing the purity of hybrid seeds? So the correct is this one, that is STMS. It is used for, it is most preferred because this is a codominant marker and it is easy to use this marker. 246. In which of the following types of cultures a constant volume of spent medium is regularly replaced by an equal volume of fresh medium? So if say a constant volume of spent medium it is being used and side by side it is replaced by equal volume of fresh medium, so this type of culture, it is known as, the correct option is perfusion cultures. Number 247. F virosomes derived from Sendai virus do not contain which of the following? It do not contain viral HN protein. This is the correct option. 248. Which of the following generally produces transient infection? So the correct option is DEAE, that is dextran mediated transfection. This is the correct one. 249. In case of mice, DNA is micro-injected into which of the following? So the correct is, that is male pronucleus. This one is the correct option. Number 250. Which of the following vectors is the most promising for development of DNA vaccines? So it is Vaccinia virus. This one is the correct option. Number 251. Which of the following is used in gap ligase chain reaction? So gap ligase chain reaction, it uses, correct option is thermostable DNA ligase, correct, thermostable DNA polymerase and NAD. So all of these options are correct. Number 252. The biological component of biosensors is responsible for which of their following features? So the correct option is, it is the biological component of the biosensors. It is used for detection of analyte, specificity of biosensor and the sensitivity of the biosensor. So the correct option is all of the above. Number 253. Glucose biosensor is based on glucose oxidase, detects which of the following changes? It detects redox reaction. This one is the correct one. 254. Lipases are used in biphasic systems during the production of which of the following? So this is used for the production of, correct option is wax and the fatty acids from lipid. So the correct is D part. Number 255. Conversion of palm oil to cocoa butter is based on which of the following enzymes? So the correct is, you have these four options. Out of this, the correct option is lipase. This one is the correct one. Question number 256. In 1860, the first synthetic medium for microorganisms was used to study which of the following fermentations? So it was used to study the alcohol fermentation. This is the correct option. Number 257. Lectins are used as ligands in affinity chromatography for the separation of which of the following? So this is used for separation of glycoproteins, lectins. They are used as ligands in case of affinity chromatography for separation of glycoproteins and the polysaccharides. So D part is the correct option. Then next 258. Which of the following is the most gentle method of drying? You have to pick the gentle method of the drying, that is freeze drying. This one is the most gentle. Number 259. Which of the following can be used for in situ recovery of products? So the correct option is, for in situ recovery of products, vacuum can be used, two-phase systems can be used and dialysis, it can also be used. So the correct option is all of the above. Number 260. The first industrial production of enzymes by fermentation was for which of the following applications? The correct is the pharmaceutical application. This is the correct one. 261. DNA gyrase. It is inhibited by, this is an important question, I repeat. This is by nalidixic acid. Number 262. Wobble hypothesis explains that, it explains a singlet RNA molecule can recognize more than one codon. 263. DNA in the form of mini circles and maxi circles is found in, this is found in case of the kinetoplast. This is the correct option. 264. DNA replication, it occurs in 5' to 3' direction because, so the correct option is because it is thermodynamically favorable. 265. Double-stranded DNA break can be repaired by, so double-stranded break, it can be repaired by homologous recombination. Number 266. Down syndrome results in mental retardation in human. This condition is characterized by having trisomy for chromosome 21. This is the correct option. Next question. Drug detoxification occur in. So the drug detoxification, it occurs in case of, that is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. 268. VNTRs, variable number tandem repeats, they represent specific non-coding sequences with unique tandem repeats. This is the correct option out of these four. Then question number 269. In forensic science, which of the following is used? In case of forensic science, what is used? DNA cloning. This is the correct option. Number 270. DNA fingerprinting. It is based on the occurrence of VNTRs, that is variable number of tandem repeats. Number 271. Which ones produce androgenic haploids in anther culture? So the correct option is, that is the anther wall. This one is the correct option. 272. Variations observed during tissue culture of some plants are known as, this is known as variations in case of tissue culture of some plants. This is known as the somaclonal variation. This is also an important question asked many of the times. Next question. Virus-free plants can be obtained through. All these questions related to the plant tissue culture, they are also very important. This can be obtained through shoot tip culture. This is the correct option. Number 274. To raising of plants from a small tissue in culture, this is known as the micropropagation. This is the correct one. Then question number 275, that is calyces. So callus, what it is? It is an unorganized, actively dividing mass of cells maintained in culture. This is the correct option. So dear friends, hope you are liking all the videos. Many of the videos have already been uploaded, and I would like to say, go through all the videos. You can find the link in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe the channel, link and share the video as much as possible.